animal. You should have stayed in bed. You've heard this noise before. You got across the floor.